Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Catalyst frames. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn your frame around like this, like if you're going to put it on. Now, once you've done that, I like to rotate my frame at a 90-degree angle. It just makes it easier to work this way. Now we're going to locate sections here and here of your frame, and we're going to pull out on these sections of the frame as we push the lens forward with our thumb. So pull out with these two fingers as you push the lens forward to unseat it. And you should hear a popping sound. If you do hear a popping sound, do not be alarmed. It's completely normal. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. We're going to do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and locate sections here and here. Pull out on these sections with these two fingers as you push the lens forward with your thumb. Alright. So now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, go ahead and turn your frame around. Have it facing towards you. Once you've done that, locate the inside grooves of the frame. That's what we're going to be lining up our lenses to. Now, today, I'm going to be installing my new Revo Ice Blue replacement lenses. And we're going to line up the top section here of the lens to the top groove of the frame here. Now, once you get that lined up, all you got to do is push down or in to get it to seat. And you should hear a popping sound again. We're going to do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and locate the top groove. Line up the top portion of your lens. And then push in or down to get it to seat in. Once you've done that, go ahead and take your Seek Optics microfiber pouch. Give it a nice little wipe down and remove any debris that might have been left during the installation, any oils or dust that might have been left behind. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you customize the look and functionality of your frames to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag Seek Optics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.